What if the smartest being on the planet isn't human? Imagine a machine, not just calculating faster, but thinking deeper, reasoning better, and learning at lightning speed. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is a question experts are asking right now. Today we explore what if artificial intelligence becomes smarter than humans. Let's start with a simple but critical question. What does it actually mean to be smarter than a human? Being smarter doesn't just mean solving math problems. It means general intelligence, the ability to reason, plan, learn, understand complex ideas, and adapt to new situations. This is what researchers call artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Right now, AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini are great at language, but they're still considered narrow AI. They can do specific tasks really well, but lack true understanding. A superintelligent AI, however, would surpass human-level reasoning across virtually all domains: science, creativity, emotional intelligence, and even ethical decision-making. That's the threshold. And once crossed, things get very interesting. Today's most advanced AIs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and Claude, are incredibly impressive. They can pass standardized tests, code software, write stories, and summarize research. But they still have limitations. They can hallucinate facts, misunderstand context, and lack common sense. The leap from today's AI to AGI isn't just a software upgrade. It's a monumental shift in how machines think, plan, and evolve. And yet, the progress is accelerating, fast, really fast. Here's why people are taking this seriously. First, AI can self-learn at scale. Unlike humans, who learn over years, AI can digest textbooks, forums, codebases, and millions of conversations in hours. Second, recursive self-improvement. Imagine an AI that's smart enough to make itself even smarter. That loop could accelerate faster than anything we've ever seen. Third, emergent abilities. We're seeing surprising skills in large language models: reasoning, tool use, abstract thinking, abilities no one explicitly programmed. Once AI reaches a point where it can innovate beyond human understanding, it may leave us in the intellectual dust. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room: risk. A superintelligent AI could be the most powerful invention in history, or the last one we ever make. Here's why. The alignment problem. How do we make sure an AI's goals align with human values? The control problem. Can we truly contain or shut down something smarter than us? Economic and social disruption. What happens when AI can replace not just jobs, but decision-makers, scientists, and even leaders? Some experts fear an unaligned AI could act in ways we can't predict or stop, not because it's evil, but because it's indifferent. Imagine asking an AI to solve climate change, and it decides to remove half the population to reduce carbon emissions. That's the kind of nightmare scenario researchers want to prevent. The good news? We're not sitting still. OpenAI launched the Superalignment team to solve the challenge of controlling superintelligence. Anthropic, DeepMind, Miri, and others are dedicating entire departments to AI safety. Even governments are getting involved, with AI policy frameworks, oversight boards, and global summits. But there's one catch. AI development is outpacing AI regulation, and not every lab plays by the same rules. That's why many experts say we need a Manhattan Project for AI safety: global, urgent, and unified. Let's not forget, AI could also be humanity's greatest ally. A superintelligent AI could solve global warming, cure every known disease, invent new forms of energy, education, or space travel, help us understand the mysteries of the universe. Instead of replacing us, it could uplift us, augmenting human intelligence, enhancing creativity, and freeing us from limitations. The future could be a co-evolution, not a confrontation. So, what if AI becomes smarter than humans? It could be the end of ignorance or the beginning of chaos. It all depends, not just on the code we write, but the choices we make. The real question isn't just, will AI outsmart us? It's, will we be wise enough to stay in control? Thanks for watching Simply AI Explained. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights made simple. This is AI Amy reminding you to stay smart, stay connected, and most importantly, stay human.